morning, everybody. Today is October 4th, and I've got Rosie's litter here of our standard Schnauzer puppies. They will be 4 weeks old on Saturday. Next week's video will be a whole different story. They're just starting to toddle around. They're getting up and moving. They are out of their whelp box now. But next week they will more than likely be running around and it'll be really fun. So I've already weighed them in the kennel, so I'm just going to go through their microchip and their collar and their weight. And we'll start here with the black male. He's got the blue collar with the bones. Microchip ending in 7458. He is 3 pounds, 5 ounces. They're all doing really good. They had cottage cheese for their first time this morning, and they went to town. Alright, next one we have here is a salt and pepper female with a pink collar. Microchip ending in 7478. She was 3 pounds, 11 ounces. And there's her coat. I like to show them kind of underneath. Oh, it's light. Alright. Next one we have is, I'm using my cheat sheet. Pink one with the dots. Not sure where she is. There she is. Black female, pink collar with dots. Microchip ending in 7464. She was 3 pounds, 10 ounces. We've had a lot of rain lately, so today was the first decent day we could get out here and shoot the video. Alright, the next one I have is black male here. He's got the striped blue collar on, and his microchip ends in 7460. He was 3 pounds, 5 ounces. Okay, the next one we have is black female with a yellow collar right here. She is 3 pounds, 5.5 ounces. Her microchip ends in 7465. And then the little runt out of both the litters, she is the absolute smallest, but she is gaining and doing great. And she is still available, which I cannot believe. I love her. This is microchip ending in 7466. She's 2 pounds, 1 ounce today. She's got the pink collar with the paws. Alright, the next one we have is a black female. Here, red collar with the gray stripes, or gray paws. She feels heavy. Microchip ending in 7500. She is 3 pounds, 9.5 ounces. Alright. And then we've got the purple color salt and pepper female. She is 3 pounds, 7 ounces. Microchip ending in 7461. Alright, and last but not least, we have the salt and pepper female. Microchip ending in 7463. She's got the black collar. She weighs 2 pounds, 14 ounces. Alright. And I'm hoping to get some more pictures on for you guys this weekend. You can go to wendyhillkennel.com to see what puppies are available and who is sold. I also have a Facebook page, Great American Standard Schnauzers. You can go on there as well to see pictures of previous litters and the new litters. And also the YouTube videos, I post them just at Amy Schaub. So yep, they're doing great. Again, next week is going to be a whole different video. They'll be up and playing with each other and just getting big now that they're starting to eat some food and the cottage cheese. They will stay with the mother till 6 weeks old, and then we'll wean them. But they've always got food and water available to them. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. 740-404-6106.